If your Vanilla gift card is being declined, it's usually due to common issues that are easy to fix. Here's how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Check the balance. The most common reason a Vanilla gift card is declined is insufficient funds. Go to vanillagift.com or call the number on the back of the card to check your balance. Ensure your purchase doesn't exceed this amount, including taxes or fees. Register the card. Some online merchants require the card to be registered with a billing address. Visit the Vanilla Gift website to register your card with your name and zip code. Use the correct payment method. Vanilla gift cards work like credit cards, not debit. When prompted at checkout, choose credit rather than debit. Avoid split payments. Most retailers won't automatically split payments. If your purchase exceeds the card's balance, ask the cashier to split the transaction or use the exact amount remaining on the card. Check merchant restrictions. Some merchants, like gas stations or recurring services, may restrict prepaid card use. Try using the card elsewhere.